That's probably too close for you. Probably doesn't focus like this. This is Caden with the hiccups. Oof. Oh.
Do you have the hiccups?
Caden has the hiccups.
He's hungry.
He's chewing on his finger.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Big yawn. Oh
He's gonna
my.
cry.
That's so mean.
I doubt if the focus is that close for you.
No, it does.
That one